Hello, little artists! Join us for fun, colorful drawing and magical adventures. Subscribe for more super cute fun. Enjoy and keep creating!
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have so much fun drawing 3 super cute ice creams. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wow, you did such amazing job drawing these cute ice creams. They all look so delicious. Don't forget to color them in and make them even more fun. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun contents.